Look, wow, nice and creamy, beautiful, and melting cheese, so tasty. Perfect, fantastic, so good. That is the pleasure. I take a large fry pan and I put oil. This will be used to fry the courgette. Take out the edge of the courgette, cut in small, the tiny possible slice. When the oil is very hot, I start putting the courgette to fry for about 5 minutes. You drop it slowly, not too much. The proportion between zucchini and pasta will be around 200 grams of zucchini every 100 grams of pasta. Then you can adjust according to your taste if you want more zucchini or less. They just need to be quite cooked, not too much. You see, just and you move around. When they become golden cooked, you put on the plate to dry the excess oil. Obviously in a plate I put some kitchen towel, paper. This is help to absorb the excess oil. Fry all the courgette in this way first. In the meantime I fry the courgette. Water for pasta I start boiling. As you can see, don't need to be full cooked, just need to start be golden. I didn't add salt at the moment, will be added later. Put from one side and top up with the new one, so you keep cooking, keep the flow. Technically we take around 5-6 minutes each slice of courgette to be cooked. As you see, I cook very tiny slices, and this will be helping make the creamy courgette at the end. You see, they cook a little bit, they golden down just a bit, and remove. We put a little bit of salt, fresh basil, just in this way, and I will go into layer. This will make everything aromatized. I put just a drop of black pepper and finito. In the meantime, courgette have been cooking. I add the courgette on top and do this job for a while until finished to fry the courgette. After I do a small layer of courgette, fried courgette, I do again a little bit of salt, black pepper, and basil as usual. Everything will aromatize together. Water is boiling. I put the spaghetti. In this case, I put the linguine. Add some salt as you need to add. Spaghetti you don't have to cook in full. The spaghetti you need to cook for around 5-6 minutes. They have to be very al dente. I'm going to finish fry all the courgette. I put in the plate with the pepper to drain the excess oil. Everything is just cooked. From the fry pan, the same fry pan, I remove all the excess oil and we move on. I clean the garlic, squeeze. I put just 2 cloves, not too much. Just a small mix. You see, there is no oil. This is just the residual oil that was on the fry pan. Put back my courgette that I did before. And now I pick up 1 scoop of water from the pasta. I put here. And then let a little bit cook together. In the meantime, I try the pasta. Yeah, the pasta is semi-cooked. I add the grated cheese, not too much. I mix together. Create a creamy sauce. Spaghetti are not fully cooked, so it's al dente, very al dente. After 5-6 minutes, I drop in the fry pan. Okay, they will cook with all the juice. I mix. I add another scoop of the water, so pasta will cook with courgette. Here we leave it for 5-6 minutes. Will absorb everything. I put this cheese, provolone, or whatever melting cheese you have. The cheese will melt and will incorporate with the pasta. You cook another 5-6 minutes until the spaghetti are fully cooked. Try spaghetti. You can notice it's still hard, so probably need a few minutes more. After I tried, I see that I need to add some extra salt. And I top up some black pepper too. And I keep mixing. The fire don't have to be too high, just moderate. You need that the pasta absorb the cheese. When the pasta is ready, I add the rest of provolone. I add the basil. You see breakdown by hand. It's okay. More black pepper. I mix. This is the spaghetti alla Nerano. When it's ready, I just put in my plate. You see, nice, full of cheese for people who like cheese and courgette. Okay, wow. This is nice pasta alla Nerano. You need to eat warm, and finally finish with parmesan. Okay, let's try this spaghetti alla Nerano and see how they are doing. You see, it's nice and creamy, beautiful, and melting cheese, so tasty. Perfect. Spaghetti o linguine alla Nerano. Enjoy your meal. Fantastic. I finished your plate. So good. You see cheese how is melting. That is the pleasure. This dish I eat when I went in Napoli with my family, and we enjoy. It's vegetarian, it's tasty, it's creamy, and it's very fulfilling. Cook this recipe. You will enjoy. Spaghetti alla Nerano. Recipe from Napoli. Look, wow.